Here's the spark plug wires that I bought from Denso. Welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna be replacing the spark plug wires on my 91 CRX SI.
It's about time. Hey, it is about time.
My car has not been moved in many months and I just fixed it. So it's time for the tune-up. And I'm doing the spark plug wires first because it's the fastest one to do. Even though spark plugs doesn't take that long, but I'm limited on time right now. The car is not gonna be driven. Here's the spark plug wires that I bought from Denso. These are NGK blue spark plug wires, and I decided to go with this different brand. Also, it comes with some silicone dielectric, and what you do with this is you apply it inside with a Q-tip or your finger if it fits in there, but it's better if you use a Q-tip and just spread it inside. So when you put it with the spark plug, and over time it doesn't fuse together, right? And sometimes when you take it out, this whole thing rips out, right? So definitely use it. It comes with it. So that's what I'm gonna do, just not right now. When I change my spark plugs, that's when I'm gonna do it, since I'm not driving the car anyways right now. So this is what I like to do is I set them up right here, and I already know which one goes to where. This one goes here, 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 and here, right? Engine bay is really dirty. Since I have not driven this car in months, I am gonna clean it. I just have enough time to do this right now, but once I have a day off, I'm gonna clean the whole thing and, you know, make it look better. So this is the shortest one I have, right? And it goes right here. So just pull this up. And as you can see, it's kind of hard because I did not use any dielectric silicone on this. So just pull it up and pull this. Now you're gonna put this in here. Make sure it goes all the way in.
That's what she said.
And then put this right here. Give it a small smack on the top. And there it is. Now, every time you take them out, check if there's any oil right here. If it is, then you're gonna need to replace your valve cover gaskets. So that's what I do every time. And last time I replaced my spark plug wires, I actually had some oil, so I fixed that. Hopefully it's not leaking right now. And just like I did this, I'm gonna do the same. Now I'm gonna take this off and replace it, then this one, then this one. So I checked all of them. None of them have any type of oil anywhere. So gaskets are still good. Make sure it's all the way inside. And that's it, guys. Very simple thing to do. It took me, I don't know, maybe like 2 minutes to do this. Not hard at all. Also, if you're in a state where there is wasp, always have brake cleaner. This thing kills them almost instantly. I know a few wasps came out of here when I opened the hood because I have not driven my car. So this is what I carry, and you just spray them, they die instantly. So I'll buy a few cans anyways. But anyways, guys, this is it. Very simple to do. Next time I have time, I'm gonna do my spark plugs, and then I'm gonna use a dielectric silicone on it and clean my engine bay, of course, because it's so dirty. Like, share, and follow, guys.